Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. Fluman. Hope you're doing well. Miss you. Thanks for working hard on your math. Make sure you guys are doing all of the work before you're clicking that submit or turn in button. And I've been noticing that there have been some assignments that you aren't completing all the way, all the slides. So you need to make sure that you are doing all of the work that embedded in those Google Slides, because just the last one I put a Jamboard on there. That was kind of something new that you had to access and go to so I could see you actually doing your work. That's really cool, I thought. So do that. You guys are working through the Google Slides pretty well. Wonderful. I hope you're watching my videos, because that's the way that I can do some reminding of some teaching and some new teaching. And also on those Google Slides, I'm learning all the time how to try different things so I can embed my voice. So that's cool. So with that said, I'm going to try to remind you how to add and subtract decimals. Same thing, it would be adding and subtracting money. So let's just take a first peek at this. So if I have 4.18 plus 3 and 11 tenths, I've got to figure out how I can do that. There's a glare there because I'm in my dining room and you can see there's the sun is shining, thankfully that the sun is shining, but there's still a glare. So I have decimals. The first thing, remember, I needed to do was line them up, line them up, line them up. So I'm going to line up my decimals. Plus 3 and 11. Then it's very easy. I can just go through and add. 8 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. I drop that decimal down. Take the elevator down. 4 plus 3 is 7. So that answer is 7 and 27 hundredths. Okay, so I have a new problem up here. It is 55 and 78 hundredths. I'm going to have to take a look and see about reading that decimal to review. We know this is the tenths place, the hundredths place. I don't know if you can see my decimal there. That is 4 and 6 tenths. So once again, when I add them, I'm going to line them up, line them up. So I'm going to put in my decimal here first. Then I'm going to write in my 4 and 6 tenths, because I'm going to put a 0 there. Then I can go through and add very easily. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 and 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry my 1. Beautiful. I lined that up. 60 and 38. Sometimes you'll see a problem or a number that does not have a decimal point on it. Like that says 94 minus 3 and 8 hundredths. When you do not see a decimal, we know that really the decimal would be at the end, because that's really just 94. So it stays 94. So I'm going to line up my decimal, 94 decimal 3 and 8 tenths. I see this space up here. I'm going to put a 0 to hold its place. Then I can subtract. But guess what? I have to borrow. Go next door, more on the floor. 3. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down my decimal. 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. So I want you to know that you have to line up the decimals. When you are taking the quizzes, there's going to be some keywords there and some word problems I want you to remember. Remember that difference means to subtract. So when it says find the difference, that means to subtract. When it says you're going to spend some money and you want to know how much you have left, that is also, again, that means to subtract. How far off means you're going to subtract. When you find the sum of the decimals, it means you are going to add the decimals. So be very careful, follow the directions, take that quiz, and have a great day. Bye.